What's up, guys? It's Jack here. Today we'll be showing you my 2015 Sunday primer bike check. Alright, so I'm going to start off telling you some stuff about the bike. It is a Sunday Primer 2015 bike. It weighs about 18.5 pounds. It's only about a month old. I got it on Christmas. It's like February, early February, so a little over a month old. But yeah, so to start off, I have a 21-inch Sunday Primer frame. Primer, Sunday, some stickers. Second off, Sunday stem. I'm not really sure what the name is, it's just a Sunday stem. Sunday bars, Odyssey brake lever, the one that comes with all of them. Colt Vans grips. It originally came with Odyssey Boss grips, but they wore away pretty quickly, so I had to get some Vans Colt grips. These are pretty comfortable from what I've felt. I've only had them for about a week now, so yeah. Next off, Odyssey Hawk tires, Sunday forks, Sunday headset with the stem, Sunday wheels, Sunday hub. I'm not sure what kind of pegs these are because I just kind of took them off my old bike and put them on these ones. They're pretty heavy, I don't like them very much, but you know, whatever. Sunday seat post, Sunday seat, really comfortable. Odyssey cranks, Sunday sprocket, Sunday chain. It's mostly all stock bike because I just got it. Not sure what kind of pedals these are. They're like Go, whatever that is. And yeah, that's my bike check. I like the bike a lot. It's fairly inexpensive for a bike this good. Like, it was only $300–400. Very light, and I think it fits me. I'm like 5'6", and it's a 21-inch frame. And yeah, that is my bike check. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos, edits, how-tos, stuff like this. And I'll see you next time.